In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. So first, what you want to do is go to App Store or Google Play Store and then search for YouTube and make sure that YouTube is updated to the latest version. Then what you can do, another step is just to remove app and then delete it and reinstall the app again. Or if you go to settings, you go to general and then you find iPhone storage. Then you need to wait for a moment that it loads up. But basically once it loads up, what you need to do is find YouTube app, click on the app and then click on offload the app. And basically what it means is that will clear cache and all the other stuff, and that way you can also delete the app and reinstall it. So let's find YouTube. It should be right somewhere here. YouTube, offload app or delete app, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.